Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am Khyati and today I will be doing acid basis testing. Here with me I have surf excel powder and amchur powder and some water. For indicators I have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So let's start. First I will be taking some red litmus paper to test if this surf excel powder is acid or basic. As you can see, it turned blue. That means that this surf excel powder is basic. Now I will be taking some blue litmus paper and check if the amchur powder is acidic or basic. As you can see, it turned red. That means that the amchur powder is acidic. So now I will take some blue litmus paper to check if the water is acidic or basic. As you can see, it stayed blue, so that means that the water is not acidic. Now I will take some red litmus paper. Now I will check if the water is basic. As you can see, the red litmus paper did not turn blue. That means the water is neither acidic nor basic and it's neutral. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.